Hello, welcome back. It's been a little bit. I miss you. Last time we made flowers. So guess what? This time we're gonna continue making flowers. But this video today is a very special. I dedicated this video to my friend Monica. Today is her birthday. Happy birthday, Monica! If you're ready, let's get started. Well, I'm ready to make my flowers. Materials, we need a ruler. We need some scissors, tissue paper, twist wire, and my measurement for my flower is gonna be 7.5 inches. So I already made my line right here. So let's start cutting this paper. So I have I count 7 pieces of tissue paper here at 7.5 inches wide. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fold it. I'm gonna fold it in. And I'm gonna fold it out. And I'm gonna fold it again. Okay, it's gonna look like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna fold it in half, and that's when I'm gonna use my little wire right here. Twist, twist, and twist. Okay, after I twist, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open up like this, and one by one I'm gonna pull my tissue paper. I'm gonna do one side first. Very careful, because remember, it's tissue paper, and tissue paper just breaks very easily. So here, one, and then go. Next one. Very careful. And then I go again. I love to make flowers. They really relax me. And I'm gonna make a few of them to give to my friend Monica. Like I told you, it's her birthday. She would love have this for decoration in her house. She loves red flowers. They wanna be very nice for decor. We're almost there. Just be patient. When I make these flowers, I always worry they're gonna break them. Yes, have to have patience. Usually I'm very ambitious. Oh look, it's coming out very nice. Don't you think? This is your carnation. How you like it? You like it? Oh, I'm gonna make some more. So how you like it? That was easy? Oh, I'm glad you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.